Hello, Ms. Beth here with your instructions for today. Let's go to our class plan. Here's our class plan, and it says that first of all, don't forget to report your attendance right here. Pause your video, report attendance. And now that it's done, you're gonna learn in this about body parts and more numbers, I think. And you're gonna find your activities in the book like you usually do, and you're gonna have your instruction video. That is the one that I'm recording right now. I put the audio and I also put this video that I uploaded. Is for the body parts. Has some of the body parts. So you will have the chance to watch that video. It has some of the body parts and also has the masculine and feminine articles. Let's go to our activities. So these are the activities you're going to complete for presentation 5. You're going to, you have this first part, and this one, I made the video, so you don't need to do that one. It's not in your activities. And then you have this one that is, this is not the one, sorry. This is one. Okay, so I don't think you had that one. Let's go, but let's check just to see. No, I was right. So we are going to the next one. The next one is this one. This one is not it. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. It's this one. I clicked in the wrong link. Okay, so this one has, you have to select the answer to the question, something that fits the question. So it can be an answer, or it can be another phrase that matches what you're saying. So you're going to have 10 of those. You just need, it's multiple choice, so you just need to check the one that you think is the right answer. The next one is this one. Okay, in this one, you're going to, since you are learning the sounds of the vowels, you are going to write some of the words. They're going to ask you what kind of words. So, for example, this one says, enter 3 Spanish words related to body parts. So you are going to find, from the vocabulary that you already know, you're going to find in the body parts what words use this letter, A. Okay, so that's A, E, I, O, U. And I'm going to add this link to your class plan. I didn't think before, but I'm going to add this link because it has the alphabet and the alphabet sounds. So you can practice the sounds, listen to them, and then you can, it will help you with the activity. So it's taking forever, but if I download it, so here you have the sounds. I'm gonna add that to your to the plan right here, so it can help you with that activity. Okay, thank you. We don't need you anymore. Thank you. Okay, so that's that activity. Let's go to the next one. Next one, I think this is the one with the audio. Yes. So you're going to listen to the audio that I put right here, and then you can complete this activity. So this one is, you're going to hear that this person says the name of the number of their house, and then also the time that the person is making the phone call. So you're going to practice numbers and times. And you have to listen carefully because they probably say a lot of words, but you need to catch La casa número, that's the number of the house. Casa número, that's house, and number, that's when it's going to give you the number of the house. And then the time. Now you know that you're going to say es la o son las 6 o son las 7:30, and so on. So you write the number of the house and then the time. Okay? So you're going to listen to that and complete that activity. Let's go to the next one. The next one, if I'm not wrong, is this one. Yes. So in this one, you are going to look at this monster, and there is a code. So that means each letter is represented by a number. So if you are going to complete this one, you had number 15 here. You look for number 15. Number 15 is the O. So that means that all the ones that have number 15 are O's. There's a whole bunch of them. And then you look for number 2 right there. And then you move. Number 2 is C, so you move your C. And that's what you have to do until you complete all the, oh, let's do this one. So I help you with that one. So that one goes right there. And then this one goes right here. And this one goes right here. And that means that that monster has 8 eyes. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's correct. And then you go to the next one. So don't forget the code. Okay. All right. And that is all for now. That's all the activities that you have for today for your presentation 5. Now that we are done with the presentation 5, we are going to have a quiz. So we will have a quiz next class. All right. That is all for now. I'll see you, or you see me, in my next video. Adios.